Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Connect to Wi-Fi or enable cellular data because Apple ID setup needs internet. Once connected, open Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone. Choose Create Apple ID now. Enter an email you control and make a strong password, at least 8 characters with uppercase, lowercase, and a number, so Apple can secure your account. Provide your birth date as prompted. It helps recovery and age restrictions. Make sure you can access that email right away to continue the verification step. Once you enter your email and password, Apple sends a 6-digit verification code. Open your email and type it into the prompt to confirm ownership. After verification, enable 2-factor authentication. Register a trusted phone number so you can receive codes if you lose access. Next, review iCloud settings. Toggle contacts, photos, and iCloud backup according to preference. Automatic backup is recommended to protect your data. Make sure to set a payment method if you plan to purchase apps, and sign into the App Store with the same Apple ID. Finish by confirming settings shows your name and Apple ID across iCloud and media and purchases. Test an App Store download and enable iMessage and FaceTime so services activate. If something stalls, restart the iPhone. That often clears temporary connection issues. If verification email doesn't arrive, check spam and resend the code, or create and use an alternate email address. This resolves most delivery problems. Finally, keep your recovery contacts updated and write down your password in a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.